G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. So tonight's tutorial is quite exciting. It's enjoyable, it's funny. It's got a good reaction on my Fun with Canva Facebook group, so let's get stuck into it. We are going to look at doing some animation. So let's firstly change the page to black. We'll go to text and we'll add it in heading and we'll do it in lowercase. And we're going to add a letter and then duplicate it to spell a word and duplicate. We'll spell hello. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Hope everyone's having a great night. A great night, a great night. Okay, duplicate and hello. So we'll drag that over to the center for now. We'll just expand out 23, 23, 23. 23 is a good number. Alright, and then we'll just increase that in size slightly. Now what we need to do is we need to click on duration. We'll use that. We'll add a page before. We'll drop it down to 1 and we'll bring it over here. Then what we need to do is you can start on any letter. I started on the E. What I did is just brought down some guides, some rulers, like so, just to place them there. And then what I did is came over here to animate, clicked on the bumblebee, and then I just grabbed the E and moved it up like that, as in a bounce effect, and then brought it around like so, and back down. And whoop, that didn't quite do the H, so we'll do it again. Like so. And that should do the H. Yep. And then all you do is you duplicate each page and remove the animation from that one. Click on the next letter. Bring it around. And bring it back in. Like so. And you have the animation as such. Then you duplicate that page and you actually remove the animation from there. Oh, remove the animation, sorry. Then you start on the L and you go to animate and just drag it around like so. I'm a little bit rough this time. But anyway, you get the idea and then you duplicate the page again. Okay, remove the animation from that one. Go to the O and go H, E, L, L in a position. That was a bit rough there. That will do for now anyway. And then duplicate the page again. Alright, and what did I do? I removed the animation from that one. Delete path. Then I highlighted all of these and went to animate and went to breathe, and I think that was it that I did, so we reduced that down to 1. Alright, and then we come back here to timing, go to play, and there you have it. You get the general idea of how to animate letters in a fun, enjoyable way, and then it goes through to the O. Okay, and then goes through to everything else. And that's pretty much it. And then all I did was come over here to audio, and I added recently used, see all, what did I do, what did I do, just add a piece of music really. Oop, that's a bit loud. Um, so yeah, just add a piece of music, not there, come back to the beginning. Why is that stuck now? It's decided to stuck itself. Alright, let me just check if that is alright. Yep, okay. So just come over here to music, come back here, make sure at the beginning, add the music, and it will play itself through. Just check it all out. And there you have it. The hello animation with bounce and breathe. Okay, until next time, have fun with Canva and feel free to please jump on my YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the notification button, like and share. Drop me any comments if there's any tutorials or anything that I can put together for you. And like I said, until next time, have fun with Canva.